Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to see about banking stocks. I will be making the video of top 3 banks which is giving us good returns over a decade. So the first one is giving us 20% of returns constantly over a decade. So let's get in and look at the video. So this is the bank which is giving us 20% of return every year consistently over a decade. So that is HDFC Bank. So let's see the basic details of HDFC Bank. It was founded in August 1994. Its revenue as of 2017 is 81,602 crores. So the operating income of this bank is 25,732 crores and the net income is 14,550 crores. So let's look into the net profit of this bank. So I've given net profit of the quarter of this year. So in the previous quarter, that is in the March, it was 4,799.28 crores, whereas in June it has gone down a bit, which is 4,601.44 crores. And the net NPA is net NPA percentage is 0.4% in the March, and ended quarter it is 0.41%. So let's look into the stock details of this bank. So the NSE code is HDFC Bank. The and BSE code is 500180, and the PE is 31.51, whereas the industry PE is 35.40. So you all can see the the stock PE is less compared to the industry PE. So if you all invest, there's chances of good growth because it is less compared to the industry PE. And I will be making a separate video of all these short forms like PE, PB, EPS, NPA and all this. I will explain it to you all, the full forms and the how it is calculated. So coming to the 52-week low, it was 1,731 rupees, whereas the high is 2,220. The face value is 2 rupees, and the EPS is earning per share is 67.13 rupees, and the PB is 4.88. Okay, let's look into the shareholdings of this bank. So Indian promoters are 25.5%, and the domestic institutional investors, that is DII, is 14.7%, and the foreign institutional investors are 40.86%, and others are 18.94%. Let's look into the mutual funds which have invested in this particular bank. So totally there are 506 funds which is holding HDFC bank share, and the total amount invested by all the funds is 52,278 crores, and in which SBI ETF Nifty 50 share fund has invested maximum amount, that is 3,667 crores, whereas the maximum weightage is by Edelweiss ETF Nifty, which is 36.22%. So here are the top listed. I've listed the top 5 funds which is holding the HDFC Bank. So as I've given it here, so the first one is SBI ETF Nifty 50 fund, which which has invested 3,667 crores. And the second one is Aditya Birla Sun Life, which is invested 1,737 crores. And the third comes the Axis LT Equity Growth Fund, which is invested 1,707 crores. The next is SBI Equity Hybrid. This is a regular fund, and it has invested 1,666 crores. And the fifth one is SBI Bluechip Regular Growth Fund, which is invested 1,657 crores. So let's look into the returns given by this stock when we have invested in this. So for 1 year it is given 20%, and for 3 years it is given 24%, for 5 years it is given 28%, and for 10 years the 10-year return is 23.45%. So if you all invest in HDFC Bank FD or RD also, we won't get this much of return. So you all know, even for senior citizens also, it goes up to the FD interest rate is 8%. So when compared to that, when you invest it in stock, we will be getting 20.11% for 1 year, more compared to the FD returns, whereas the risk is bit high here, but you will yield more. So here you all can see the growth of this fund over the 5 years. So it has grown up of 248% for the past 5 years. So I will do a simple calculation of investing the amount in HDFC Bank stock and in FD. You can take it as any bank, because any public or private sector bank gives you all a range of the same percentage. So here the invested amount will be 10,000. So we will be investing 10,000 rupees. So we will be invested. We have invested it in August 2013. So at that time the share price was 600 rupees. So the current share price is 2,114 rupees. So you all can see how much it has grown up to. That is 248%. So if you all go and withdraw or sell those shares now, the amount which you will be getting is 34,827 rupees. But the same 10,000 when invested in fixed deposit will, for the same 5-year tenure, will give you only 14,216 rupees. So you all can see the difference here. I know the risk is a bit high, but when you all yield it, you all will yield the maximum amount.
Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.